Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today I'm just going to make a quick pizza video. I'm going to be making a morcilla pizza with a Basil Pistou in my Ooni Koda 12. The recipe for my dough and the pizza sauce will be linked in the description box down below. Here I have a 230 gram dough ball and about 2.5 ounces of my pizza sauce. Make sure you spread the sauce evenly around the crust. And for my pizzas, I love dusting a little bit of pecorino onto the sauce. I know most of us do. It's either pecorino or parmesan. It adds a really nice little tang to it. And then here I have full fat, low moisture mozzarella cheese that I cut into little cubes. I love having my cheese in little cubes. I think it melts a lot better and it stays creamier for longer. And then here is some French style morcilla or a boudin noir that I broke out of its casing, and I'm just gonna put all over my pizza. Now you have to be a fan of morcilla to appreciate this pizza. Otherwise, I think, for the people that don't like liver or stuff like that, you won't really like this kind of pizza. But once I have the toppings on, I'm gonna wait to put the pesto on afterwards because I don't want it to cook. But here in about a 712 degree oven, or at least the floor was 712 degrees, it's gonna go in there and it cooked for about 2 minutes, a little over 2 minutes, but I'm not gonna make you watch the entire cook video. Just know that it was about 2 minutes or so. And I'm just giving a nice rotation to make sure that the crust gets evenly browned and we avoid burning our crust in spots. But you always have to make sure that you keep an eye on it, because especially on this oven, because it's such a small space to work with, you really need to be on top of it and just always keep it moving. Now the pizza looks done. The crust is nice and golden brown. Cheese is all melty. The morcilla is nice and crisp. You can see it kind of bubbling a little bit. To me, that is perfect. All right, I'm gonna slide this onto a wire rack to let it cool just for a second before we put it onto our plate, cut it up, and dress it with our Basil Pistou. Now, a Pistou is different than a pesto because this one doesn't have pine nuts and it doesn't have Parmesan cheese in it. This one I just made because I didn't have the ingredients to make a full chimichurri and I didn't have the ingredients to make a full basil pesto. So I just put garlic, olive oil, some peanuts, basil, and salt, and then I put sherry wine vinegar and I blitzed it up, and that is what we have here. And I'm also going to dress this pizza with some fresh basil leaves just for a little bit more freshness, and finish it off with some extra virgin olive oil. And here is our morcilla pizza with a Basil Pistou, fresh basil, and olive oil. All right guys, so this is my morcilla pizza with a basil pesto chimichurri hybrid sauce. Look at it. Ooh, this piece. Nice leopard bottom, nice puffy crust, nice and airy. And look at that. You have morcilla, cheese, all the good stuff. Wow. Now, if you're a fan of morcilla, you know the texture. It's nice and creamy. This is definitely a rich tasting pizza. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Click down below. Also, I have the recipe for my dough and my sauce all down in the description box. Guys, thanks again for watching. This was a nice quick little pizza video. If you love morcilla, or if you're adventurous enough to try this, do it. You're gonna love it. Or at least you're gonna appreciate it for what it is. And it's gonna broaden your pizza game. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.